Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to install and download Topaz AI. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So if you want to download it free for the first step, open your Google, or you can open any of your favorite browser, and simply search for Topaz AI. Here you will get this official website of Topaz Labs. It should be same. After opening it, you will see here dashboard, like this. Professional grade photo and video powered by AI. Now to download this Topaz from the center or right upper side, you will find these two lines. Click on that. It will open up this where you will get this downloads. Click on that and here you will get this download and install the latest and previous version of Topaz. If you scroll it down, you will find some of more variations of that Topaz here. But we have to download to Topaz AI Official to download it. Scroll upside and here you will get. This is showing two options to download for Windows and Mac. You can simply download for your operating system. I am using Windows 2. I will click on that Windows. I will select this location and click on this zip. It will start downloading here. You can see that after download you can simply open it. Next it will start installing this. After installing it will open up like this where you can drag any of the video and start enhancing its quality through Topaz AI. So that's basically how you can install and download Topaz AI. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.